Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk all about our lives and every way that it affects us on a regular basis. So please consider subscribing, hit the red button, and then hit the bell after that, because then you'll be notified of all future videos, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. And also go to Facebook and follow me on Facebook at Inspiring Women, at Heather Gerhardt 11. I post all the videos there as well, and it's actually a better way to get notified than the bell. So without further ado, today we're gonna do a Band-Aid hack, and we're gonna see if we can remove a Band-Aid easily without ripping it off and taking half of our skin with us. So if that is of interest to you, to see if this hack works, stay tuned and let's do this. Ever heard the phrase, it's like ripping a Band-Aid off? It's never a good phrase. It's always talking about something that's painful and you just have to get it done quick because it hurts less if you do it fast, but it's still ripping off every hair that's on your arm or your leg or wherever that Band-Aid is. It's never a pleasant experience to take a Band-Aid off. So I found this hack that supposedly removes a Band-Aid super easily without it hurting. And I needed to compare and contrast whether or not this was going to work. So I needed 2 volunteers to try this out. The first volunteer to do it the regular way, and the second volunteer to do it the hack way. And I had my boys pick a number between 1 and 10 to see who got to do it the original way. He was so thrilled. Let's take a look.
Okay, this child agreed to the Band-Aid hack original version. Peel it off the original way. Ready? Rip it off.
Ow.
Go, fast.
Ow, no, ow.
Oh, your skin's peeling off. What did that feel like, Zach? Tell the world.
Horrible pain.
Horrible pain?
No, you try.
No, get off. Okay, this kid picked the number where he got to do the easy one between 1 and 10. So we're gonna see if putting oil on the Band-Aid will help it come off easier. Ready?
Just a little tip,
Go.
it's coconut oil.
Did it hurt?
No, not a bit.
Not a bit? So what do we think about this hack? Thumbs up or no?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Great.
And it's waterproof.
Thank you, participant.
So this hack totally works, and you can use any kind of oil, olive oil, baby oil, body oil, whatever it is. You just put it on that sticky part, rub it in until it's saturated, and it just peels off super easily. It works. I can't believe I haven't known about this. Why have we been ripping Band-Aids off of ourselves and our children for all of these years not knowing this hack? So I hope this helps you have your life be a little bit less painful and your kids love you just a little bit more, or yourself, for goodness sake. So that's everything for today's video. I hope this was helpful and you'll try this hack out in the future. And until the next time, stay inspired, ladies. Have a great day. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya, ladies.